Now we discuss dengue fever. Its another name is known as breakbone fever. Dengue fever is a tropical viral disease spread by the tiger mosquitoes. That means ki bite of the mosquito. Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus are the species of Aedes mosquitoes infected with one of the four dengue viruses serotypes. It affects infants, young children, and adults with symptoms appearing 3 to 14 days after the infective bite. That means that means it affects infants, young children, and adult with symptoms appearing by this disease is 3 to 14 days. In between 3 to 14 days after the infective bite, after the bite of mosquito. There is no vaccines or any specific medicine to treat dengue. People who have dengue fever should rest and drink plenty of fluids. These are the remedy by which we can prevent from this disease. So in dengue fever, the patient should rest and take plenty of fluids. The symptoms seen in patient like high fever, severe headache, pain behind the eyes, muscles and joint pains, rashes on their bodies, loss of appetites, and nausea and vomiting also takes place. So these are the symptoms appears and seen in the persons who is suffer from the dengue fever. The next disease, chikungunya. It is also a viral disease. It is caused by an alpha virus called chikungunya virus or buggy crack virus. It is spread by bites from Aedes aegypti mosquito. Which type of preventions we have taken? Overall, mosquitoes control and avoidance of bites by any infected mosquitoes. No specific treatment is known, but medications can be used to reduce symptoms. No specific treatment is known, but medications be used to reduce symptoms. The symptoms appear on the persons like fever, that is high fever up to 104 degree Fahrenheit, severe joint pain, muscles pain, rashes, nausea, fatigues and headaches. These are the common symptoms seen in the patient who is suffering from chikungunya. So, fourth and last type of viral diseases is neurotropic viral diseases. Neuro, it is concerned with our central nervous system, our nerves. So neurotropic viral diseases affects the human central nervous system. Human central nervous systems, that it includes the disease like rabies. Its another name is also known as the hydrophobia and poliomyelitis. These are the diseases which is concerned with neurotropic viral diseases. So now we discuss protozoan disease. Protozoan disease includes malaria amoebiasis. Malaria is caused by the different species of Plasmodium like Plasmodium volvax, Plasmodium malariae. Amoebiatic dysentery amoebiasis. Its another name is amoebiasis. Amoebiasis disease is caused by the causative agent like ant amoeba histolytica. These are the causative agent of amoebiatic dysentery. It is endoparasitic organism pathogens. It is present and affect in large intestine of the human beings. It is present in the large intestine of humans. Housefly acts as mechanical carrier and transmit the parasites from fecus of infected persons to food. Infection takes place through food and water contaminated by fecal matters. The symptoms of amoebiatic dysentery are abdominal pain, constipations, a stool with excess mucus and blood clots, and last cramps. So these are the symptoms of amoebiatic dysentery. Now I am giving a chart of some common protozoal diseases in human, its transmission and pathogen. So make a chart. Like first column is disease, pathogen and transmission. Transmission of diseases. First disease is amoebiasis. Pathogen ant amoeba histolytica. Transmission, water and food contamination. Contaminated food and water. Next, giardiasis. Giardia lambelia, water and spread by water and contact. Next, trichomoniasis. Pathogens Trichomonas vaginalis. Good morning, student. Today I am going to continue our previous study, diseases caused by the virus. So, in previous class, we have already discussed various types of viral diseases like pneumotropic, effect by respiratory systems, dermotropic, involving mainly skin, viscotropic, affects blood and visceral systems, and fourth, that is the neurotropic, affects our central nervous system. So now we discuss one by one type of the viral diseases. So first discuss pneumotropic viral diseases. These viral diseases includes common cold, influenza, severe acute respiratory system, SARS, etc. So first, common cold. It is caused by a group of viruses called rhinovirus. Rhinovirus is the causative agent which is caused common cold diseases. These viruses infect the nasal epithelium and respiratory passage, but not the lungs. This disease these viruses infect the nasal epithelium and respiratory passage, but not the lungs. Their attack lasts for about 3 to 7 days. It lasts about 3 to 7 days. So, how common cold is spread? Common cold is spread contaminated objects like pen, books, cups, etc. Spreading through contaminated objects like pen, books, cups, etc. Second, cough and sneeze. Droplets from an infected person. Which type of symptoms we will see in the common cold? Like nasal congestions and discharge. Nasal congestions and discharge, sore throat, hoarseness, cough, headache, and tiredness are the common symptoms we will see in the disease common cold, and this is a pneumotropic viral diseases. Second disease is influenza. Influenza is a high contagious acute disease caused by an orthomyxovirus. It affects our upper respiratory tract. Symptoms of the influenza are chills, fatigues, headache, pain in chest, back and legs, nasal congestions, and dry throats. These are the symptoms of influenza we will see in the patient of influenza. Serious complications of influenza are GBS and Ray's syndrome. It may be treated by bed rest, adequate fluid intakes, aspirations for fever and muscles pains. Next disease is SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. Is caused by common cold virus and SARS coronavirus. It is a newly emerging infectious disease of the respiratory system that was first reported in China in 2003. The symptoms of SARS like fever approximately 38 degrees Celsius, headache, body ache, discomfort. It lasts after 2 to 7 days, not last. Its effect seen after 2 to 7 days. SARS patient may develop a dry cough and have trouble in breathing. So these are the diseases which is affected by the virus, types of pneumotropic viral diseases. So next we discuss fungal disease. Next type of viral disease, sorry, not fungal disease, viral disease is dermotropic. Dermotropic, it is clear for their name. Dermo, it is related to our skin. So, dermotropic viral diseases are diverse skin diseases. So, dermotropic viral diseases are known as skin diseases like herpes simplex, chickenpox. Its another name is varicella. Next, smallpox known as variola. Then measles known as rubella, German measles, mumps, epidemic, parotitis. These are the diseases which is related to our skin and it is caused by the virus. Herpes simplex is a collections of viral diseases. There are different types of herpes simplex. Cold sores, this is known as fever blisters. Second, genital herpes, it is related to our gonads. And third is herpes encephalitis, that is common contagious skin diseases. So these are the different types of the herpes simplex. Chickenpox, its another name is varicella. It is common contagious skin diseases caused by varicella zoster virus. Varicella zoster virus. It is spread by droplets infections of infected persons. A smallpox, its another name is variola. It is also a infectious disease which is spread by the droplets of infected persons. Next is measles. It is another name is rubiola. It is also a type of skin diseases which is caused by the virus. Next, rubella. It is known as German measles. And last is also known as mumps. It is known as epidemic parotitis. Parotitis. So, swelling of parotid glands takes place where pain, headache, and fatigue, loss of appetite takes place in the types of mumps. Then third types of viral disease is known as the viscerotropic viral diseases. Viscerotropic viral diseases, it is clear for their name. It affects our internal organs, visceral organs like intestines, both small and large intestines, our liver, spleen, as well as our blood. So these are affected by the virus, and this type of disease is known as the viscerotropic viral diseases. This type of disease includes dengue fever. The another name of dengue fever is known as the breakbone fever. Next, chikungunya. Third, yellow fever, hepatitis. There are so many different types of hepatitis which is caused by the virus.